Hi, I'm Neha Suradkar and I'm back with another video. Today we are going to talk about my favorite makeup products under 1000. The first in this category is the primer from Calabar. Why I like this? Because this gives you a very powdery matte finish and also controls the oil. The next product in this category is Ace of Face Foundation Stick from Sugar. It's a creamy foundation in a stick form which you can directly apply on your face, and on the other side there is a brush which can be used for blending the foundation. It gives a very high coverage and can conceal all your face flaws. The next favorite is the Nudes Palette from Maybelline. So this is a neutral palette which can be used to do your eyeshadows. It will work with any of your outfits, and also the colors can be used to do your eyebrows. It is a multi-purpose palette and a must-have in everybody's kit. My next favorite under 1000 is Master Flush Creator from Maybelline. It's a blush which is very intense and also gives you a bit of shimmer. The next favorite in this category is Master Chrome from Maybelline. It is a highlighter in rose gold color which is very intense. Thanks for watching this video. What are your favorite products under 1000? Do share with us.